Nollywood actress and box office star Eniola only son, Daniel Maid, has been receiving a wave of congratulatory messages from fans as he embarks on his National Youth Service Corps journey. Daniel recently shared photos of himself in his NYSC uniform, proudly calling himself a fine copper, which left fans swooning over his charming looks. Social media users flooded the comment section with praise and well wishes, celebrating him as he begins to serve his fatherland. Just a few weeks ago, Eniola celebrated her son with a heartfelt caption.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow GboahTv page for latest gist. Thank you.